Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by integrated marketing and communications company IVE Group, ASX code IGL. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the CEO of IVE Group, Matt Aitken. Hi, Matt.
Hi, Matt.
Okay, so IVE Group is a vertically integrated marketing and communications group with a turnover in the hundreds of millions of dollars. Its share price has been on a roll lately and has doubled in the last year from its mid-year low last year of $1.38 a share. The company recently posted some stellar half-yearly financials up to the end of December 22 that show growth in almost every major category. Okay, Matt, so we'll get into those numbers in a minute, but firstly, marketing and communications covers a hell of a lot of things. Can you break down the silos a bit for me? Exactly what does IVE Group do?
Sure, Matt. We cover every aspect of the marketing communications process for Australian corporates and multinationals, everything from creative services to managing data on behalf of their customers, all the way through to print production, execution and retail for customers with a retail footprint, logistics, distribution and fulfillment. Okay,
well, let's get into your underlying half-yearly financials up to December 22 with some rapid-fire questions. So, firstly, what was your revenue for the half-year and how did it compare to the previous corresponding half-year?
Revenue was $503 million. That was up 31% from $383 million.
All right, how much money did you make for the period? Let's go with EBITDA. And how did that number compare to the previous half year or corresponding half year?
Strong EBITDA at $65 million, up 18% from $55.2 million.
And what were your earnings per share just for the 6-month period to December 22? And curiously, what was your share price at the end of December 22?
That was 16.5 cents, up 13% on PCP, and the share price at the end of December was $2.35.
And did you pay a dividend for the half year?
We've paid an interim dividend of 9.5 cents, fully franked.
Okay, so about halfway through that period, you acquired a company called Avato, and I know its numbers are sort of partly integrated into your half-yearly figures. What does Avato do, and how much did it contribute to those numbers?
Avato predominantly printed magazines and catalogues. In H1, we had $60 million of Avato revenue in our result and $4.4 million of EBITDA. On a fully annualised basis, once they are integrated, we will have $160 million per annum of revenue from that acquisition and $28 million of EBITDA.
Now, you also raised about $18 million in equity during the half year. What price was that done at, and what price are you trading at now?
The raise was done at $2.25 and today we're trading at $2.64.
During the period, you invested in a new digital marketing platform known as Lasoo. Love the name. What does Lasoo do?
Lasoo is an e-commerce marketplace that connects Australian retailers with consumers and provides the best specials and deals available to consumers every single day of the week. So it's a new platform, it's an exciting marketplace, and we're really excited to see where it's going.
Matt Aitken from IVE Group, thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears. And remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should, of course, seek independently. I'm Matt Birney, and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB, 3AW and 4BC websites and click the Public Companies tab.